Okay, yung lesson number 3 natin is about the logarithmic derivative. So, we have two kinds ng logarithm. We have the natural, yung ln. The other one naman is yung log or the ordinary logarithm. And meron silang kanya-kanyang base na pag hindi nakalagay, automatic ang base nito ay e. And then, the LOG naman, ang base niya ay base 10 kung hindi nakalagay. So, let me present first to you ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng ln or the logarithm, natural logarithm. So, ang ln, sabi ko nga, pag walang nakalagay, automatic, hindi naman talaga nilalagyan yan. Ang base niyan, e, implied, hindi na siya nilalagay. So, that e ay equivalent to 2.72181 something, dire-diretso. So, in short, parang 2.72. Okay? Ngayon, or, sige, check nyo na lang. Basta yung number lang, in short, si letter E. So, dito, ang sinasabi ng logarithm ay, yung answer niya, yun yung pinaka-exponent ni base to get the y, yung nasa loob. Kaya basically, pag tinransform natin from logarithmic to exponential, yung nasa loob ni ln, siya yung pinaka-answer nung ating base e with exponent equal to x. Okay? For the logarithm naman, let's say we have the logarithm of y equal to x. Again, pag walang nakalagay, implied po na ang base niyan ay 10. Therefore, the y here, that is equal to 10 at ang x yung kanyang exponent. Okay? So, the result pala is the exponent of the base that will result into the value y. Okay? At may different properties yan na mahalaga. Okay? So, yung properties na kailangan nating tandaan ay ito po. Again, to simplify the derivative, i-apply natin yung mga properties to simplify the given logarithm. Okay, tandaan natin. Pag nakakita tayo ng ln of 1, that is equal to 0. Or the logarithm of 1 is equal to 0. Tama naman. So, kasi ang tanong is, ano yung exponent ng base to get 1? Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, the answer here is 0. Yan yung exponent ng base e at base 10 to get the value 1. Another properties na mahalaga, gamit na gamit to. The ln of, let's say, x raised to n. Pag merong exponent, yung nasa loob ni ln, pwede nyo po siyang ilagay ito sa unahan. N ln of x. Yan, masisimplify natin yung pagderivative. So, for example, meron tayong logarithm of x raised to n, base b, for example. Again, same lang. Ilalagay lang natin yung n sa unahan. Then, write the logarithm of x base b. Parehas lang po yan. Okay, another property na huwag kakalimutan, we have the ln of, let's say, xy nakamultiply. So, ito po, pwede natin yung isulat as ln x plus ln y. So, again, para sa multiplication lang. Yung iba kasi nakalagay ln x plus y, ginagawang ganito. Mali po yun. Kung merong dalawang variable, or number na nakamultiply sa loob, we can actually put it as ln x plus ln y, then that's similar. So, ganun din po sa logarithm. Kunyari, logarithm of xy base b. So, parehas lang yan sa log of x base b plus log of y base b. Okay? So, ngayon, another one, pag naman naka-divide, we have ln of x over y naman. Okay? Ayan. Pwede po yan. Gawin pong ln of x minus ln of y. Okay? So, tandaan ha, pag naka-divide, hindi pag naka-minus. Kung naka-minus, wala po siyang equivalent. Kunyari, ln x minus y, hindi po yan equal sa ln x minus ln of y. So, let's say we have log of x over y, then that's base b. So, yan po ay equal lang sa log of x base b minus log of y base b. Okay, anyways, andun yan sa notes natin. Kaya kahit medyo hindi maayos sa pagkakasulat ko dito, you can still check it on our PowerPoint presentation. Then the last one, if ln1 is 0, ito naman, ln of e naman is equal to 1. Why? Diba base ito, ano yung exponent ni e to get e? Therefore, the exponent is 1. Let's say we have logarithm of 10, diba base 10 to, the answer is 1. So, ibig sabihin, kahit pala, kunyari, logarithm of 2, base 2, parehas sila, automatic 1 yan. Okay? So, laging tatandaan yon. Ngayon, yung actual na topic natin dito is the derivative. Okay? So, the derivative of the natural logarithm. So, if we have y equal to ln of u, take note, ang derivative po nito ay 1 over u ln of the base. Again, ang base ay e. Implied yan, di nakalagay. Multiplied by the u prime. At maalala natin, ang ln e is equal to 1. Kaya, ang ln nagiging 1 over u times u prime na lang yan. Yung iba, ang ginagawa, u prime over u. Parehas lang din naman yon. Okay, u prime over u or 1 over u, u prime. So, kung yan ay logarithm of u base b, for example, okay, so parehas lang yung ating formula. We have 1 over yung u muna, ln ng base b, then multiplied by the derivative of the u. Yun nga lang, ang ln b, hindi naman siya equal to 1. ln e lang equal to 1. So, therefore,